A C corporation is a legal structure that separates the business from its owners. It is the default structure for most large public companies. The most important thing to understand is that the corporation is considered a separate legal entity from the people who run it. C corporations pay a flat federal corporate tax rate, which is currently set at 21% on their profits. Key features include limited liability protection for owners and the ability to issue shares, though it does trigger the issue of double taxation. While C corporations are standard for large firms, smaller businesses often look at S corporations to avoid being taxed twice. This chart shows how double taxation works. The company pays tax on profit, and then shareholders pay tax again on the remaining dividend payout. While the structure is complex, it is the standard path for companies looking to raise capital from venture funds or public stock markets. Understanding business structures is critical for any investor. Subscribe to the channel for more money basics and hit that like button to support us.